Hi guys, this is Robert Rivera with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trend Trading Academy. And this is the trade that I took today on the NASDAQ. I was anticipating a flip action. I did not get the flip action. I started with the daily and I noticed now once I do the daily, you're going to see something different. But here's the daily and I noticed that price had reached a high. That's the high and this is the low. I moved immediately to the 15-minute and notice that it was bullish, by the way. I took notice that it was bullish. Okay, bullish, bullish, bullish for the last 3 days. Last 2 days plus today is bullish. So any sales, it was going to be a quick move. I went to the 15-minute and marked the areas of interest, which is this area right here, right? Completely marked it off. Notice that there was a demand down here, so I marked that off too. And consider that price is going to most likely come down to demand or to the other zone before it continues its move up, because again, it is bullish today. There is the possibility that it could crash, right? Because the trend is bearish. But today's and last couple days, it is bullish. So I'm paying attention to that. So this is where we're at before the market open. Let's move to the 5-minute. Okay. And I noticed that it is at the high of the day. So given that it is at the high of the day, I'm expecting a pullback. This pullback is going to come to here at least, and very possibly here, if not here. All right. So I'm waiting to see if I get a flip action. Well, I want to see a move up, right? I want to see an initial move up and then a crash breaking down to below. So this is what happened. Next candle, boom. And it made us one tiny little move up, and then crash. This little move up was not enough for me, okay? Because usually this thing goes up a little bit, then comes down, okay, then can go all the way up again before it crashes down. So I needed to see a deeper pull. I wanted to see a deeper pull back in order for it to take it. But once I saw it break and it broke below the 15-minute zone, then I'm looking for a push up and a crash down for a continuation to the downside. And this is what I did. Okay, this is beautiful. And it worked out perfectly exactly the same. Basically the same move that it did over here, it did over here. And that's when I took it. I took it right around there, okay, with an anticipation of it coming all the way down here. But at least I wanted to get myself a 1%, which I was able to accomplish somewhere in here. You'll be able to see the numbers in the video that I have, and it came all the way down here. As an alternative, something that could have been done is just waited for it to come to the demand zone and then take it from here. The thing is, there is no guarantee that it's going to respect the demand zone, and the momentum right now is bearish, so I wanted to take advantage of that. But that is what it did, by the way. So here's the move. Didn't quite touch it there. There it is, okay? And as per the demand strategy, it will be the break of this high with a stop down here below, and an expectation that it's coming here to the highs, which is exactly what it did. So anybody taking that would have done very well. But I was done for the day. Okay, there's the retest of that zone, and there it is. That's where price is right now, and it broke through the high of the day and ended. But again, I was just seeking to catch me a 0.5% to 1% for the day. Got me a full 1%. You'll be able to see that here in just a minute in the video, and that's it for today.
Okay, guys, I'm going to attempt to demonstrate the flip strategy on the NASDAQ this morning. If I mess this up, then you may not ever see me do it again. Not true. It's just that it takes a lot of concentration to do this. And so talking while doing it can be a problem. So we shall see. But here's the high. If you look at the daily, we got like 3 minutes before the thing happens, okay? We have the high, okay? That's the high, the low, all right? Then I go to the 15-minute, and I have, look at that. I almost messed up. I don't have my magic keys turned on. Hold on a second. Time to test it. Okay, looks like it's working. Okay, it's at the high of the day right now. So I am thinking that this thing wants to drop. test the low of the 15-minute for sure. But I can't tell you that I'm quite sure about it, okay? I am going to right now assume that it is bearish bias. I will inform as it happens. Right now we have 1 minute and 50 seconds left before takeoff. And yeah. So as you can tell with the magic keys, the most I'm going to lose here is 300. Okay, well, I can gain, well, here right now, each time it moves, the numbers change, right? So that's not even 1-to-1. This is about 1-to-1 right here. Okay, let me move that. Yeah, you can see the risk reward over here, 1-to-2. So I think it's going to seek to come all the way down here to demand, to be honest. But in the beginning, it's going to be really wild moving up and down. And I'm going to have to be quick about whatever it is that I'm doing. The truth of the matter is that I don't know if I'm buying or selling to begin with. So sometimes it doesn't really help to have in fact, my numbers are messed up. My volume should be bigger than that. And so I'm going to close my magic keys and I'm just gonna wing it with well, half the lot size that I would normally use. So here we go. We got about 30 seconds left. Let me have my last little sip of coffee. All right. And let me move to the 5-minute. Okay. And here we go. In just a minute, we're going to be going. We're going to be going. We're going to be going. In just a minute, we're going to be going. 16 seconds. Magic key in hand on one side. This is so I can manage the risk. Okay, here we go. See what we get. What happened? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. What's going on? Okay, slowly moving down. Not a lot of volume. Volume hasn't come in yet. Okay, there you go. Starting to move. There you go. There's your first move. Right? There's your first move. Now, again, it's at the very top, so it may go there that way for a little bit. Let me check the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute. Okay. I'm just letting it be for now. Okay. Still dropping. Volume coming in. Again, it's going to test that 15-minute there. Then probably going to bounce initially. We'll see. That's a lot of volume is missing from the market right now. Okay, still waiting. Still waiting, being patient. Being patient, being patient. Okay, that's the first minute is over now. Yep, first minute is over, still no flip. Okay. It may be a straight down day today, guys, because again, it was at the very high. And like I mentioned before, it's probably going to come and try to test the low. Still waiting, see if I get a flip. I may not get one today because it was so high already. And this is not the regular volume. I usually see a whole lot more volume than this. So I may have to play on the 15-minute, which is denoted by these lines right here. So I may have to wait. I'm not sure I'm going to see a flip today. We'll see. Okay, this is 3 minutes still left for the 5-minute to close. This just came straight down. All right, still waiting. Still waiting, still waiting. Nothing to do at the moment. I mean, it did a little flip there on the 1 minute. It went up and then it crashed, but that's not significant for me. Not significant enough for me. I did it, but it's not significant enough for me to have done it. Usually you get a whole candle just like this and then it reverses. So that was a little dangerous. So I've gotten in so early because it could have just flipped on you again. So again, it looks like it's coming down to demand. Where's my demand? My demand is down here. At least I know that's where it wants to get to. But nothing happening yet. 2 minutes left for the 5-minute candle to close. If the 5-minute candle closes below here, and then the next one goes up to retest, I may take that retest to come down. So it looks like the bears are coming in. Still dangerous. Still dangerous to do anything. Just waiting right now. I'll keep my clock on 5-minute just to be sure. Okay, 1 minute and 20 seconds left. So not much happening. Not a lot of volume. Something's up. Are there news coming? Is there news coming? I should go check real quick. News coming when? It's a couple days from now. I don't see anything. Let me see news. Yeah, it's a couple days from now. So I don't see anything going on right now. It's unusual. This is unusual behavior. I mean, it did the move, right? Went up and then came down, but not significant enough. Maybe the market anticipated that move and everybody went with it because, again, it was at the high of the day. This is the high of the day. Okay. 25 seconds for the 5-minute candle to close. Let's see if it closes below. Again, it's an area, right? It's a zone. It's not a line. It's not a price point. But I'm keeping my eye on how it behaves around here. 12 seconds left. Man, still no volume. Not the usual volume. I mean, that was a nice little drop, but not the usual volume. Okay, there's the next candle open. Yeah, that was only 41 points. The whole move was only 41 points. That's unusual. Okay, I want this to go further up, and then come down. Higher up, higher up. Oh, shoot. I don't know if I'm going to get it. Not sure if I'm going to get it. I went in on that. I'm going to have to now hold probably through. It's so bearish at the moment. So I went in. Let me see if I can break the low. I may have to cut positions here quick if it doesn't agree with me quickly. And I'm not liking it. Okay, there you go. Let's see if I get continuation to the downside. Still holding. Still holding. Won't be holding much longer. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. It should break the low and continue going down towards demand. Got 2 minutes left for this candle. Still waiting. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push it. Push it. Push it. Got a minute left. Come on. Still waiting. Still holding. Really low volume. This is very unusual. There you go. Come on. If it comes back up now, I'm going to have to cut positions. Okay, there you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Just a little more. Give me 1% here in a minute. Oh, gosh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got 40 seconds before you close. Oh, crap. I'm going to have to cut positions here. Thirty seconds. It did break the low. Shoot, I'm still in it. Still in it. I do have a wick to the bottom, which is a good thing. Now I'm gonna have to endure this pullback. Wow, there's just no volume in the market today. It's bearish, but there's no volume in the market today. It's just so unusual. So unusual. Okay, here we go. It's gonna try it again. Here you go. Just trying to get my 1%. It's really close to getting that 1%, and I'm still holding. Come on. I hate to cut partials, but I may have to take partials. Wow, there's just no volume. Still waiting, still holding, still holding, still holding. Holding, come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's keep going. There you go. Come on. Some more. All right. There you go. Took me 1% right there. As it's approaching demand. I'm going to let that be. So we did not get a flip. You know, we did not get a flip. We did not get a flip as of right now. It's already 9 minutes later. But in 9 minutes, I got myself 1%. So basically, that's why I like indices, because they move so quickly. And I was risking only half of what I usually risk. So had I held it, I probably would have come up with a full 2% here when it would touch down here, which is about to. And this is demand, so it could bounce from here. But I'm not taking any chances with that. Because again, I have all of my accounts. I got several accounts. I got 4 accounts. I got all my accounts tied into this one. So, you know, so I'm going to take my profit. Basically, what that means is since I got 1% here, amongst all of my accounts, I got a total of 4%. So pretty cool. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop it with that. Since again, we did not get the flip today, and I will make a video out of this so you guys can enjoy it. Take care. Bye-bye.